Look at these birds. Could it be that simple, really, that the secret to success boils down to just 3 words: great work ethics? So the kindergarten teacher was right all along, wasn't she? She said that the secret to success was to do what you love to do enthusiastically and with great attitude. That's what they're doing. They're eating enthusiastically and with a great attitude, and obviously excellent work ethics. I suppose that there are 2 types of people in the world: those who produce results and those who make excuses. Could it really be that simple? Just look at these birds. My question is, how should we feel about people who are failures because they have perfected making excuses? Just look at these birds. Aren't they amazing?